There's no shortage of remarkable ideas. What's missing is the will to execute them. This is true for 37-year-old Felicia Case, who has executed many of ideas that has seen them all grow into a blooming business. For Case, this all started from supporting her husband's diet. Apiniso Wangarandova reports Case now specializes in gluten-free chutney, dips, pickles and relishes, and she is fast becoming a household name.
Felicia Case, the owner of Aroma Kitchen, says she grabbed the opportunity to start a business and help Fijians on a gluten-free diet like her husband.
I actually started last year in February, and I thought that, okay, I'm doing something good for the people of Fiji because there are so many gluten-free customers out there. And then I didn't knew that my business all of a sudden is just going to grow up in a big way.
Case says she sources most of her ingredients locally, and this in turn also helps market vendors.
I go around to the markets and I've got my organic supplies as well, where I get my bungo chilies. Like these are all homegrown and locally grown. So I get, to make my product, I use bungo chili, mango, wheat, star fruit, rosella, which I've got the plant over there. I have to let the customers know what rosella plant is. So I use that.
She says most of her products are on supermarket shelves, and she aims to better her packaging and expand her market.
I've already sourced out the jars where I can buy the jars. I'm only waiting for the nutrition chart, which I could put at the back of my product, and then I would like to get a Fijian made sticker to go with it, so then my product would be complete and I'll be able to export my product in an overseas market.
The mother of one, while busy handling business, is also pursuing her studies.
Right now I'm doing an entrepreneur course where I'm learning more about my business and how I can betterment my business.
Family support is everything for Case, and she is calling on women to use their talents and defy the odds.
Well, I'd like to motivate our young generation, and especially women, because we women think that, okay, our husband earns money and we seldomly have to depend on them, which is not true. We all got our hidden talent, we all got our passion, there is something out there that we love. There are so many things out there you can buy, you can create and sell. And there is no shame in asking. Where I am right now, I've been asking, getting support and helping others, and this is how I stood up.
The 37-year-old mother has also been a long-serving volunteer for NGOs, and her business has allowed her to contribute towards helping the needy. Case says she believes that giving back to the community is also a calling for her and her business. Apiniso Wangarandova, FBC News.